In this video we're giving an honest review of the BetterMe Fitness App, a wellness platform designed to help users achieve their health and fitness goals. The app combines personalized workouts, meal planning and mental well-being support, making it accessible on both iOS and Android. Subscription plans start at around $9.99 per month or $19.49 per year. Many users appreciate BetterMe's user-friendly interface and variety of workouts, including Pilates, yoga, and HIIT, catering to different fitness levels. It also offers meal plans, calorie and water intake trackers, and mindfulness exercises, providing a well-rounded approach to health. However, some users have reported issues with customer service, delayed responses, and difficulties with refunds. There have also been occasional complaints about unexpected charges and the accuracy of calorie tracking. Advanced users may find the workouts too basic for their needs. Overall, BetterMe is a solid option for beginners or those seeking structure and motivation in their fitness journey. It's important to consider the potential drawbacks and ensure it aligns with your personal health goals. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and health insights.